Elmer down here, Bottom, Texas, 5418 zip code. It's pissing out in there. It's coming down pretty hard. You can tell right now it's just a flat rock on a pissing cow. Tell you what now, but you can always tell about the rain whenever them birds start to flock away like they did. Didn't catch them on video camera, but I saw them with my own two eyes, and I tell you, I knew she's coming. I get just sense